Hello everyone. So welcome to YourPedia Global. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So if you are dreaming to join some course for your higher education in any foreign university like in USA, Germany or anywhere, okay, so, and GRE is a very important exam which can help you in fulfilling your dream, okay. So you need to prepare for GRE, and YourPedia Global is providing regular modules for GRE preparation. So in GRE we have a lot of different kind of questions, okay. So right now I have taken one very interesting question, okay. So all of you can think to answer it, and most of the students will make the mistake, okay. So let us see this very interesting important question, and this is the beauty of GRE exam, that question seems to be very simple, okay. Immediately answer may come to your mind, but there may be some hidden concept in the question. So these are the things which we are going to learn through our classes, okay. So right now what is that question from which you can get some idea. So let us see, and all of you guess the answer. So in GRE exam we get questions in which we need to compare two quantities. In our earlier classes also we have discussed about this many times. So what is the right answer you are thinking right now? And you can write down your answer in the chat box immediately, and after that I will tell you the answer. Then don't delete your answer in the chat box, keep that there, okay. So what is coming to your mind immediately? You may be aware about Pythagoras triplets. Everyone know about Pythagoras theorem, and that is applicable in right angle triangle. So what is coming to your mind? Okay, so I think you have got the answer, and majority of the students are thinking that 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagoras triplet, okay, and that is the sides of any right angle triangle, maybe 5, 12, 13, okay. So many students may think this, and they will say that length of the third side is 13, okay. So both the quantities are equal to each other. So that student or many of such students are going to answer this C option, okay. You are going to do this, but this is not the right answer to this problem. So that is the concept hidden in this question, okay. So what is the right answer, and why is this is not the right answer? Actually the question is saying what? Two sides of the right triangle are 5 and 12, okay, but in question they did not mention which are the two sides, okay. So suppose we take the right angle triangle in this manner. Here is the right angle. Suppose this is 5, this is 12. So using the Pythagoras theorem, obviously this hypotenuse is going to be 13. So the third side is equal to 13, okay. This is right. This time this is equal to 13, okay. But there may be the possibility that this side is 5 and this side is 12. This also may be the situation, because they said two sides of the right triangle are 5 and 12, but which two sides they did not mention. So those two sides may be these also. So in this case this is the hypotenuse. So this is A, B, C. Now we all know the Pythagoras theorem that in a right angle triangle AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So it means BC square is equal to hypotenuse AC square minus this AB square, okay. So equal to 144 minus 25, right. So you will subtract, so you will get here 9, and then 1. So it is 119. So what is BC? It is equal to root 119. So this time this is the third side. So it means third side may be 13 or it may be root 119 also. There are two possibilities, okay. So if third side is 13, both are equal, but if third side is equal to root 119, then these two are not equal. This become less than this. So if this is the situation that sometime this quantity is equal to this and sometime it is coming to be less than or greater than this, in such case we say that there is no clear relationship between the two quantities. So the relationship cannot be established. So D is going to be the right answer to this question. Please take care of such important points in GRE exam. Okay. So in our next video, we will meet with some next important question, important concept, hidden concept we can say.